In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a document management system in Notion. We'll move from a blank workspace to a clear, searchable hub so you can keep everything organized whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team. Start by opening Notion and signing into your workspace. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. That opens a quick menu with extra options. From there, choose Templates. This takes you to Notion's template gallery, which is full of pre-built systems you can adapt instead of starting from scratch. Use the search bar at the top of the gallery and type Doc Management. You'll see a set of results filtered to document-focused options. Find the one labeled Docs, Documents Management. This template is designed to help you catalog, store, and search files quickly without hunting through pages. Select the template and click Add Template. Notion will insert it into your workspace automatically. In the left sidebar, open the new page that appears. Think of this as your central document hub, the place you'll come back to whenever you need to file or find something. Inside, you'll see a documents database, review what's included or create it if the template prompts you to. This is the backbone of your system. Customize its properties so it matches your needs. Common fields are document type, category, tags, status, owner, and date. Clear, consistent properties make filtering and searching fast, so use names and options that everyone understands. Add your content by uploading files or attaching links to each entry. You can embed files directly, link to cloud storage, or reference external resources. Keep descriptions brief but useful and ensure any linked locations are accessible to the people who need them. Next, build views that make sense for your workflow. Table views are great for details, board views help you track status, and gallery views provide visual scanning. Configure filters and sorts to surface what matters, and save those views so they're one click away. If the structure isn't quite right, adjust it. Rearrange properties, add new fields, or link this database to other Notion systems you already use. Keep refining by embedding files, adding sections for guidance, or creating relationships with other databases as your needs evolve. From here, start using your hub daily to keep documents organized, searchable, and easy to access. With these steps, you now have a functional document management system in Notion that streamlines your work. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.